want to leave?
Well, there are plans to stay, but then Japa looks like more, let's say more reasonable.
It's quite complicated. Japa, do my masters.
I'm staying in Nigeria. This is my country.
I can stay in Nigeria.
Actually, I don't mind doing it. If I'm going to leave, I'm going to leave because of school.
Well, it depends on the opportunity. I'm not the Japa enthusiast.
You go to fashion school. Oh, okay. I plan to go to a script writing school.
I want to enter politics.
Well, because based on my course and what I want to do, it's more effective outside.
To further my studies, to get a decent education after graduation.
I feel like I've stayed all my life in Nigeria and I got to change and also for exposure purposes.
But I think there are more opportunities here for you want to do a business or creative. Let me just put it that way.
But then I just want to have I plan to like have a course done abroad though.
I still like to advertising. Like it's a sector I would like to explore more after.
Sometimes you don't need to go abroad to find some opportunities. Sometimes they come to you. You just stay here. The plan is just to equip myself with the skills that will be in demand by then.
Because I feel I will see a better offer abroad than here.
Actually, we are new in this country, so just stay here and build our country. This is my country. This is my father's side.
I believe in process. In fact, Nigeria is more like a base, like it's a very good phase to start something. Like it's a very good place to start.
I think Nigeria needs to be built also. If everybody lives here, then what will our country be like in the next 100 years?
Okay, so there's something I like to say that the future is for those people.